We all like to make our lives simple, and just when you thought everything has been invented, tons of new, cool, useful products come out. Here are just a few. The SwitchBot curtain automates any curtain by adding it to your rod or rail. It comes with voice control integrated with Alexa, Google Home, and Siri, and can be set up to open or close your curtains at any specific time. Homes are becoming smarter with all the new technologies. Now, your curtains can be smart. The first scanner came into the world in 1984. Since then, it has come a long way. Caesar is a portable scanner which also records with its 340 dpi camera. It uses OCR software to recognize the text. Due to its curve flatten technology, it scans an entire book within 10 minutes and even separates pages. It can recognize over 180 languages. When finished, just fold it up for easy transport. Water is scarce in many parts of the world, and with rising water prices, something needed to be done. Nozzle dual flow is designed to lower water consumption, and installation is a snap. With the simple twist of the faucet head, you now have 2 water-saving modes available. Cutting herbs can sometimes be a chore. The Orbit Herb Chopper cuts through thin and thick herbs. Its sharp blades go through rosemary or large bunches of chives and basil easily. It's as simple as rolling it back and forth. The blades come off for easy cleaning. It comes with a protective guard for safety and folds away for easy storage. With 28 stainless steel blades, this meat tenderizer is perfect for London broils, pork loins, and more. The Bull Bar is a tool for deck removal which includes a 180-degree rotating head. It has double fork-shaped teeth that grip edges. Also, it has a built-in nail puller. Removing decks has never been easier. This is the Brush Hero. It's a tool for cleaning anything with little to no effort. Due to its clever design, it uses the same amount of water as a bucket. Here is the LeCue Citrus Sprayer. The citrus sprayer allows you to spray juice directly from your favorite fruits. It comes in 2 different sizes for different fruits. Now all of your favorite foods can have that citrusy taste. SwitchMate is a smart system for your home lights which can be controlled from your phone. It also works by voice command without using any voice hub. Tired of having all your space taken up in your kitchen cabinets? Armadillo Colander is capable of folding into a thin, light gadget for your kitchen or trips. Power strips can be hard to use with all the large plugs electronics have today. Quirky Power Pivot is an adjustable power strip with 6 outlets that can be moved as needed. Now you can use all of your outlets in your power strip. Do you like to cook a lot of fish? The Fish Scraper by Tescoma removes small and large scales from freshwater and sea fish. Its blades gather scales and easily separates them from the skin. We have all come across those hard to remove nails. Quick Gripper pulls nails, screws, and staples out of any wood or any other surface. It can pull the most difficult of nails even with the head missing. Wouldn't it be nice to record all of your written notes right to your smartphone? SmartPen reflects your notes into your tablet or phone, making it easier to find and organize them. Whether you're sending your grocery list reminder to your phone, capturing a phone number as a contact, or capturing your next work of art to share with the world, SmartPen does it all. Here's the battery-powered Trudeau Pepper Mill. After filling it with whole pepper, and adjusting your desired size of pepper, just give it a simple tilt for automatic pepper grinding. Tired of your beer or cocktails having too much foam? Foampresso allows you to control the amount of foam you'll have on your drink. With just a push of a button, you can choose to have foam and how much. Ever been in a pinch and wish you had a certain tool? The TPT is a titanium pocket tool which works as 10 tools in one. It includes a screwdriver, mini pry bar, bottle opener, box opener, and even a camping fork. Tuning a guitar can be difficult for beginners. Roadie is a tool for tuning and changing the strings in your guitar. It works with an app which gives you alternative tunings and helps you have track of your strings. Now you will always be in tune. Smart created a dry erase board which captures, saves, and shares your notes. Through their app, users anywhere in the world can connect and participate in sessions, meetings, or classes. Sharing your notes and collaborating has never been easier. Technology has made our lives easier. We can only wonder what is coming right around the corner.